Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making classic donuts. You're going to need 3 cups flour, 4 cups cooking oil, 3/4 cup warm milk, 1 egg, 1 medium potato, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. We will start with the potato. Peel it completely. Cut it in half and set it to cook. When the water boils, cook it for 20 to 25 minutes until it softens. I use a sieve to make mashed potatoes. It's important that there are no lumps. Make a well in the flour. Add the yeast, sugar, warm milk, and mix for about 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Add the salt, 1 egg, melted butter, and finally the mashed potatoes. Knead the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. It should look smooth and soft. Grease the bowl and the dough with oil so it doesn't stick while rising. Cover with plastic wrap and set it aside to rise. In the meantime, prepare a sheet of baking paper, slightly larger than the donuts. Once the dough doubles in size, dust your work surface with flour, take out the dough, and lightly shape it. Rolling it out to about 1/4 inch thick. It should be about this thick. Use a donut cutter or a round cutter about 3 inches in diameter and a smaller cutter about 1 inch to cut out the center. Place each donut on the baking paper. Re-knead the remaining dough and repeat the process until all the dough is used. We will make 2 types of donuts, with a hole and without a hole. Cover the donuts with plastic wrap and let them rest for half an hour. For frying, you need regular oil. I use 4 cups, but the amount of oil depends on the size of your pan. It doesn't matter if it's a larger or smaller pan. Just ensure the oil is about 1 inch deep. Try to regulate the oil temperature to about 350 degrees. A bit less or more is fine. If it's too hot, the donuts will burn on the outside and stay raw inside. This is why we cut the baking paper, so you don't handle the donuts with your hands because they are very soft. Lift them with the paper and place them directly in the pan. Then use tongs to remove the paper from the bottom. In my pan, I can fry 4 donuts, but it depends on the size of your pan. Just make sure they have a bit of space between them. Fry the donuts until they turn golden brown, about 2 minutes on each side. Mix a tablespoon of cinnamon with half cup of sugar. Then gently roll each donut in it. Or you can sprinkle it over with a spoon. Now we will fry these donut holes. Also, place them on baking paper and just pull the paper out. Stir them a little to make sure they are not stuck together, and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the remaining sugar and cinnamon mixture into a bag. Add the donut holes. Close the bag and shake well. And that's it. Look how beautiful and soft they are. Now we will make filled donuts. I'll show you the easiest and cleanest way to fill a pastry bag. Spread plastic wrap and place the entire filling in the center, then wrap the plastic wrap and close it on one side. And on the open side, insert it into the pastry bag and squeeze. Poke a hole in the donut with a stick and hollow out as much as you can in the middle. For the filling, you can use Nutella, jam, or any filling you like. Look at this, it's beautiful and soft on the inside. And the donuts turned out fantastic, all thanks to the mashed potatoes. You'll have to try it yourself. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.